Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. And in today's video, I'll show you how to insert track below or above a new track in the timeline in Camtasia video editing software. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do, so for instance, we have this particular clip in the timeline right here, and let's say we want to insert another track below this particular video in the timeline. How do we do that? What we want to do is to come to the front of the timeline right here. We right click on it. Then we have to make sure we look for insert track right here. We can decide to insert track above or below. So I'm going to go ahead and click on below. Now we have another empty track right here, and for that we can easily go ahead and drag any of the media file that we want to add right here. Let's say for instance I want to add this particular JPEG right here. I will drag it and then I'll take it from the next track right here. Then I'm going to expand it, and then I'll come to the top right here and I'll scale it up. Then we have it right here. It's that simple. So you can also add track above or below in Camtasia video editing software. It's still the same process. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.